Hi guys! So today ay Sabado de Gloria or Pisanitse dito sa Slovenia, and kapag sa Pilipinas, kung sa Pilipinas naliligo tayo sa dagat, dito ay nagko-color sila ng eggs. Do you also go to the beach? Ano, it's still cold here.
No.
Because usually in the Philippines, we go to beach or to some resort to swim.
Or to graveyard.
No! Today is November.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't do that here?
No.
Do you go to restaurant or something?
No. We go to church. Here we are Catholics.
Yeah, so they also go to church. Colored eggs, so once you're done, they will bring it to the church together with the other foods para ma-bless ng simbahan. And then, they will be eating that the next morning, which is Easter Sunday for breakfast. Si Mr. and si Malaya ang mag-prepare ng mga itlog. Tapos, kami naman Malaya ang maglalagay ng mga stickers.
Dajmo jajček vzemi, pa ga ne papijo. Tako, ja, hvala. Evo kaj naslednjega. Koliko je to? Tu. 3, 4. Oh. Tako, wow, na.
What is the vinegar for?
For not cracking the
The eggs?
eggs, yeah.
But why is it white vinegar, not your, usual vinegar?
This is alcoholic, it needs to be alcoholic.
Oh, it is. I didn't know that.
So then also for the color. Let's be secret, huh? Who will set the alarm? How many minutes? Huh? Laja, gremo se pripraviti. Laja. Gremo. Ja, pridi sem. Pridi. Ej, pač budem mešal, lej. Pa kar mešal, tako je. Ej, počakaj. Počakaj. Wow. The egg is coloring. Purple is ready. Pa skupaj, tako ja. Gremo z te strani, tako ne, nekaj spari drž, tako ja. Wow, evo, ne. Wow. Še, mami mora prinesti druge. Wow, this is red. Mixing. Slowly.
For how long do you need to soak it?
Many colors, so usually for 1 to 2 minutes. Purple, that's purple.
Wow.
Ooh.
Are you having fun?
Yes,
The best?
the best, yeah. Wow.
Yeah, wow, the egg colored
Okay.
already.
Yeah. We need new eggs. Čakaj. Laja, počakaj. Voda tako ne. Tako ja, daj napati skupaj. Samle, tukaj voda dala, prav.
Where's the other one?
Voda spustita, prav.
No, hot.
It's not hot.
See,
It's
it's
okay. Okay, let's go. We should mix it now.
So now, Papa and Malaya are
Preparing the Easter eggs, huh?
soaking. So Easter is common here?
Of course, because we are Catholic nation, so we celebrate.
Pripravili smo tudi jajca.
Sprašljivo. Sej, tole mora biti. Sej, jabučka ni treba. To so za hrinček mora biti. Je bolj dober hrinček. Sej, tja boš pa sam podala potičke noter, ki je bolj majhna. Mesek pa vkacijo, a ne?
Ja.
Mesek cel, tole boš pa čez podala, da noš to kisavo nosiva, tako da bo te lahko zjutraj imel. Mesek je pa ne bo, da imaš celega, a ne, važi se reže. Takole. To boš imel takole. Pa boš pa sam en jabolček, ne bo poj. Samo en jabolček kisavo. To je za hrinček. To je za hrinček. Takole. Ja, jajčka pa tudi ukatila.
Torej, potica.
Potico, ja, boš, te ne moramo not dati, boš polovico stran vzela, polovico pa not. Aj prav? Takole jajčka ne bo na vrh. Pa boš pa dala samo polovico tla noter, potičke. Polovico pa imaš pa, a veš, a ne,
Ja.
za zjutraj polovico dosti.
Ja. Hvala lepa.
Ni zakaj.
Adela. So, binigyan na kami ni mother-in-law ng mga pagkain na ipapabless namin sa simbahan mamaya. And tomorrow, kakainin namin to for breakfast sa Easter Sunday. Is it a tradition here to have breakfast on Easter Sunday?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah?
We have here eggs. I already prepared eggs, but should we bring this or the one that we prepared?
The one you prepared.
Okay. The putitsa. So this is like their pansit. So if pansit is most famous in Philippines, ito naman sa kanila itong pinaka sikat, and usually kinakain lang nila to during a special occasion like Christmas, New Year, Easter, only during special holidays. Also apple. She also gave us apple. And this, I forgot the name. What is this again?
Which one?
This one? Green?
Green, green.
Fan. This one. I already tried it before, but it's good, but I'm not a fan. Ikikid-kid lang nila to, and then imimix sa apple para maging medyo matamis siya, and then ito maanghang. The ham, as you can see guys, it's still fresh. I think yung mother-in-law ko ang nag-prepare nito kasi mainit pa siya guys, so fresh. So, pupunta kami mamaya sa church para ipa-bless to, and isasama namin si Malaya at si Tala. So, hopefully mag-behave silang dalawa, kung hindi, patay tayo mamaya. Ito guys, ang mga itlog na prepare nila mister, tapos nilagyan ko lang ng sticker. And pinili ko ang itlog na maraming scratches kasi yung mas maganda yun yung ibibigay namin sa kanila or sa mga kamag-anak ni mister. Kung sa akin guys, ang pagkakagawa ko ay sticker lang, madali. Ang sa mother-in-law ko naman ay traditional, talaga na pagkukulay ng mga itlog.
Wow!
So, look at this guys. See? Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ni mother-in-law. May mga design-design talaga siya. Diba? Sabi ni mister, gumamit daw dito si mother-in-law ng dahon ng sibuyas. Tapos, I think petersil to. Petersil, parsley. Petersil or parsley to. Tapos, yeah. So, look at this guys. Oh. Iba. Iba talaga itong mother-in-law ko. Creative. Ha? Tingnan nyo naman sa akin. Diba? So, set aside ko lang itong galing kay mother-in-law. And yung dadalhin namin ay yung gawa namin dito sa bahay. And tatakpan lang namin ito. Ngayon naman ay basket ni Malaya. Picking itlog pang linagay ni mister. Maglalagay na lang ako ng 2 egg mula kay mother-in-law dito. Ready na ang aming papabless mamaya. So, we are going to the church. Mom is finally sitting in the front seat. Woo! Kaya.
Malayas.
Grandma! Malayas over there, and Tala. Sure, it's the first time that we are in the car together.
Se strinjam.
We will be like this when we go to the seaside, so we may travel.
Of course.
So that is the church, and we're about to go there.
Last minute, as always.
Yeah, lots of cars already. Look at their church, guys. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So we already arrived.
Ja, is ik helemaal. Wauw! Ja! Mami, ti bodo dal kušarico, boš kušarico.
Leia. Pridi sam.
Da boš kušarico.
So we are going home now. Oh yeah, we should take a photo. Hi. So we are going home now from the church. Are you okay, Malaya? Oh, much more. Earlier, so they were singing at the church.
Yeah.
After singing, she said, "Bravo."
Uredu. Spila malo.
Everybody was quiet, and
A
she's
boš
the
pila?
only one who said bravo.
Na tukaj imaš res za pit.
So after church, we'll be going for a walk. Laya, Grandma.
Tati je tule.
Happy Easter everyone! Ang oras ngayon ay 7:15 and kagigising ko lang. Si Mr. ay nagsimba ngayon. Tapos si Malaya at si Bibi Tala ay tulog pa. Later pag kami ni Mr. kaling simbahan, tsaka kami kakain ng breakfast. So we are having, is this traditional?
Just traditional.
Traditional Slovene Easter Sunday breakfast. So this is ran with apple, the ham, with
Potica.
pizza, bread, egg, and that is Malaya. And baby Tala. Baby Tala already ate her breakfast. Ano? Papi, cream yes. So how should I eat it? Do I need to dip the ham to the ran or put it on top?
Как желаешь? Шекруха.
Malaya, bread, do you want egg? Egg is there.
Добър тик.
Should I put a lot or just a little bit?
Како желиш?
Kaj predlagaš?
Kako daš več? Lej, lej, už probala. Lej, lej.
Let's try. I think it goes together.
To za mami, tako da. Daj malo dovolj.
Lako. So now, Mommy and Malaya will put the sticker on the eggs. I already did this yesterday. These are the sticker. They're already missing stickers because I already cut them yesterday. We need to soak them in the water. Mommy will show you, okay? Put it in the water. Chakay. Let it soak. Put the egg like this. Mommy will put it. Wow. Okay, that's good. Wow. We already have another one. Okay, slowly. You're tearing it. Is that a dog?
Yes.
Okay, that's good now.
Check.
Okay, put it down.
Sorry, go for it.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Check.
Look. Has a bunny. So it's like this. Holding it. So put it together. Perfect. Thank you. Like this. So the eggs are done now. So guys, ngayon ihanda ko ang mga regalo ibibigay namin sa mother and father-in-law ko, sa sister-in-law, sa auntie ni Mister, and sa niece niya. So bali 4 yung ihanda namin. And ang usual na regalo dito ay orange and chocolate. So yan ang ihanda ko ngayon para later ibibigay na lang ni Mister and ni Malaya. So ito guys, ang chocolate na paborito ng auntie niya. Kapag nagregalo din ng auntie niya ng chocolate, itong brand ang binibigay niya sa amin. Ito na ang regalo niya, pamimigay namin. So, simple lang dito guys, pag nagre-regalo sila, hindi pagarbuhan, hindi payabangan. Which is, nakakahanga kasi sa atin, effort pa tayo kung ano ang ibibigay natin kasi ayaw natin ma-disappoint yung ibang tao. Pero dito, kung ano lang yung gusto or kaya mong i-provide, yun lang talaga yung ibibigay mo. Hindi mo na kailangan pang magpa-impress.
Tu la puješ, no?
Laya, look!
Čakaj, da poje.
It's too high, too high, too high.
Vidim, ja. Tu ga ne. Usedi se gor. Kako no? Tako ja.
Wow! Oh, should we hold her?
Ha?
You have to hold her.
Usedi se gor, no? Ajde, super, maš. Še vidno malo.
Oh. Wow!
Laja, ko se usedi? Pisam, no?
Wow, he's ready to try the bike. How do you call that?
Kako počasi? Odleva.
Okay, sit. Go.
Ajmo.
Wow, bravo! Nagpapasikat talaga itong isang to. Gustong sa harapan ng lolo at lolo niya magbike.
Pazi, gremo.